Hey guys, today I'm going to show you up close in person how I do rope twists. First and foremost, you're going to part the hair in half, and this rope twist we're going to be doing it on the right hand. You roll one side to the right, you roll the other, and then you crisscross. As you crisscross, you roll the rope in here, and then you rope them separate and you rope them together. So you roll it, then you crisscross. You roll it, then you crisscross. And as you see there, that's product I'm using. I roll each part, and as I'm rolling it, I'm rolling them together as well. And the tighter and the firmer you do it, is the firm and tighter your twist will be. You don't want to do it too tight because you don't want it bulk up, but you want to do it tight to where it's firm and it give you a nice rope with no, you know how they have when they do rope twists, they have these lumps and stuff. You want it to be straight and smooth. As you can see the rest of the rope twist in the background. You see how nice and neat those are? That is how my rope twist is done. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe. Hope you like my videos. If there are any questions or concern that you may have, just drop it in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out with no problem. Thank you guys for watching. And you guys have a wonderful day now. Just keep watching.